Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to download and install Visual Studio Code. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a free, open source, modern text editor. By open source, it means the source code is open for developers to contribute in making it better. Visual Studio Code is cross-platform. That means it will work across multiple operating systems. So it will work on Windows. It will also work on Mac. Visual Studio Code can be extended in functionality by installing extensions. So if you want to add functionality to Visual Studio Code, you can download and install extensions to extend its functionality. The official link to the Visual Studio Code is displayed on the screen. You can download the Visual Studio Code from this link and also learn more about the text editor from the link. To download Visual Studio Code, just go to the link that I previously showed you. And that's the link there displayed, and it will show up the download tab for your respective operating system. If you're running a Mac, it will display a download button for a Mac. If you're on a Mac, just download, extract, and then drag the DMG file, which is a disk image file, into your applications folder, and that will install it for you. If you're running a Windows like I am, just click on this download for Windows and that will start downloading the files. There you go. It's downloading the files for installation. So I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes to complete the download. There you go. It has completed. So I'm just going to double click and begin the installation. So you will get a pop-up like this. I'm just going to click next. I'm going to check this tab to accept the agreement and click next. And it's prompting me for a location. I'm just going to accept the default location. It's telling you the disk space that is required. So I'll click next. Again, asking you to select a folder that it will install into. It's suggested a default here. I'm going to accept that and click next. And then we have some boxes here. It's checked here. Add path. This I would recommend you leave. If you want to add, for example, a shortcut icon, I'm going to click on that. So it creates a desktop icon on my desktop and just click next. If you're interested in the other options, just check it. Once you're done, click next and click the install button, and that will begin the installation. Once the installation completes, you are given this completion screen, and there is a box there to say launch Visual Studio Code. If you don't want to launch it, you can uncheck it. It also, if you've checked the option to create a icon on your desktop, you will get an icon like this on your desktop. So I'm going to leave the launch Visual Studio Code so that it launches it. I'll click the finish button and then it will launch the application. So I'll click finish. So this is what the interface looks like here. So there's a file option that also has a preferences tab and a settings option. If you want to change the theme, for example, you can customize it by going here. You can see I've got a dark theme at the moment. If I click on color theme, and if I wanted to select a lighter theme, it will give you the options to, it tells you here, this is my default theme, which is dark. So if you want a lighter theme, just select one of the options. So this is where you can go and change your theme. If you haven't got the theme that you like there, you can always click on the extensions option, this option here, this tab here that says extension. If you click on that, and there's a search option that you can type in whatever extensions you want to install. While I'm here, there is an extension I want to install. is called paste and indent. And what that does, it allows you to automatically indent your code. If you paste the code into your code editor, it will automatically indent it. So this is it. So if you want to install it, just click install and that will install it. And you can see here it's doing the install. Once it's done, you can click reload and that will reload the editor and tells you here the option has been enabled, paste and indent enabled. To learn more about the editor, there is a help option here and there is a documentation here you can always go to. So that's it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.